Already got the Star Patio freestanding electric patio heater. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. This is an infrared portable tabletop heater. Has a round shape on it, and I just weighed it before it came out. It weighs about 9 pounds in the box. But we're going to do an unboxing for you here, and then we'll test it out and show you how it works. All right, let's see what we got inside of here. Let's open this up, take a look. Set of instructions, of course, very nicely packaged in styrofoam. Very well protected, good packaging on here. Looks like we have a set of 3 screws here, which I'm assuming we're going to use to screw the base to the bottom of it. That's not too bad, 3 screws, easy, we can do that. And there's the base, and boy, that's got some weight on it. It's got some heft to it. Let's check this out. Yeah, here's the base, look at that, nice padded feet on the bottom of it. And looks like our 3 screws are going to go in here. That looks super simple to do. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and say we have about a 6-foot cable on here. 6-foot cable. Just going to line one of these up, get it on here, and use the sunlight to see the other 2 holes. Once you get one of them lined up, you can just slide it around until the other 2 holes line up, and you're good to go. The base is on. I'd like to point out too that it has a nice handle on the back of here. Makes it easy to carry, easy to transport. One of the great things about electric space heaters is that it provides instant, steady, silent heat. And in this case, 1 switch operation. All you do is turn this on. There we go. Oh, that is heating up instantly right away. Well, that feels good. I'm going to leave this on for the rest of the video because it's freezing out here. It's November. This unit features 800-watt carbon tubes inside of here. And it has an aluminum plate on the back that directs more heat towards the body of the unit and sends it out to where it's going, the direction it's going, and that makes it even good in the wind, which is what I'm hoping because I'm on an open patio right here. The way things are going right now, I actually prefer an electric heater over a propane heater, for instance. Plus, with an electric heater, there's no propane smell or anything like that to make me nervous or concerned. I like that. And another feature this unit has, I don't know if you can see the lights are lit up on there, it has tip-over protection. So if it falls over, it shuts off. That's a great safety feature. You gotta love that. Put it back upright, comes back on again. Boy, this feels good. This unit's IP44 waterproof, which means that it's okay in the rain for rain sprays and stuff, but you just can't hit it with pressurized water like a hose. So it should be great for the outdoor patio. So if you're looking for an electric outdoor patio heater, something you can put on a tabletop or a smaller space with tip over protection, it's easy to transport, easy to carry, lightweight enough, and super easy to use. Just 1 switch on and off. And it's electric. Check out this one by Star Patio. Check it out.